Hello, my name is Nenad and I'm full stack developer and solution architect with over 20 years experience in software development. Throughout my career I worked on numerous projects, but I would particularly highlight few of them. One of them is document management system for banks, which was a little bit difficult because of different data sources, and whole environment was a little bit challenging because it's bank, extreme security and authentication to different domains. It was a bit challenging to manage all that, but it worked fine. Other than that, there was industrial programming for Benetton factories, which was a little bit difficult because of high volume concurrent data ingestion, where thousands of users were sending data simultaneously, and based on those data there was calculations are made, and that has to be done always in parallel, so that was a little bit challenging. Other than that, I would emphasize that was NinjaTrader API involved. That was trading application and it was a little bit challenging because of high frequency streaming market data in real time and tick per tick calculation. So, but everything worked fine. Regarding cloud development, I worked on cloud native application utilizing Azure functions for business logic, then Azure App Services for mostly for UI and front end. All that glue together using service bus notifications, and DB used is Azure SQL Server and Cosmos. Additionally, later in last couple of years, all applications that I worked on were hosted on Azure, on AWS or Amazon as Docker images, which is necessary for horizontal scaling. So yeah, I have lots of experience with that. For backend development, I primarily use C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python, and using which I can create very reliable, resilient, and highly scalable applications which works for years without issues. Also, I'm highly experienced in front-end and mobile development, so specialized native and hybrid both. The framework that I'm using is mostly Angular, React Native, Xamarin, and Maui. So that's about it. Also, I'm last couple of years I'm focused on AI development, so I'm good in implementation different kind of AI models, training them, fine-tuning, and most of the applications that I integrated AI was AI search, but also there was a little bit improvement in user notifications. So all those problems that application returned to user was a little bit better when it goes through AI. Also, I developed using OpenCV. I developed in some sort of video examining application, and that would be it for now.